Good morning student. In last lecture we start sequence and series. Today we learn about sigma notation. So what is sigma? This sign is called sigma. Sigma means summation. Summation or it is called addition. So how it is read? Summation of x r where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to so on xn, because it run from r is equal to 1 to n, that's why 1 to n. And summation means addition, that's why in between two numbers there is addition. Now next there is property of sigma notation. So what is that property? First property, summation of xr plus yr where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to summation of xr where r runs from 1 to n plus summation of yr where r runs from 1 to n. Means when we take addition, then summation will be separate. Second, summation of k into xr where k is constant, then that time take k outside of summation and summation will be as it is. Next, summation of 1 where 1 to n, which is equal to n. This is like that 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to so on n, then its answer will be n. So this is property of sigma notation. Now there are some result of sigma. So what is that result? Let us check. The sum of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 upon 2. Means the sum of first n natural number. Then it is given by summation of r where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. So this is very important formula, and this n belongs to natural number. Natural number starting from 1, 2, 3 up to so on infinity. Now next, the sum of square of first n natural number is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. So this is the second formula. This is the sum of square of first n natural number, and it is given by summation of r square where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6 for all n belongs to natural number. This is sign belongs to. This is also very important formula. This formula is useful when we solve examples. Now next formula, the sum of cube of first n natural number is given by n square n plus 1 square upon 4. So it is like that summation of r cube where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to n square n plus 1 square upon 4, and here also n belongs to natural number. This is also very important formula. So these three formulas are very important. Now let us start to solve next exercise, exercise 2.6. Due to COVID-19, some part of our syllabus is deleted. From sequence and series, there is arithmetico-geometric progression AGP form is deleted from our syllabus. That's why we skip exercise 2.5, and now we move towards exercise 2.6. So student, note that the exercise 2.5 is deleted from our syllabus. Now let us start to solve the sum from exercise 2.6. So our first sum is find the sum. Now write down given. So what is given? given summation of r plus 1 to r minus 1 where r runs from 1 to n. Now by using multiplication, so it will become summation r from 1 to n multiply 2r square minus r plus 2r minus 1. So next step, 2r square plus r minus 1, because minus r plus 2r is plus r. Now by using properties of summation, summation will become separate plus summation of r where r runs from 1 to n minus summation of r from 1 to n, which is equal to 1. So 2 is constant, take outside of summation. N as it is. So this is first sum. I am using here all the formulas. So using summation of r square where r run from 1 to n, which is equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6, and summation of r where r run from 1 to n, which is equal to n plus 1 upon 2, and last summation of 1 where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to n. So using this, 2 into this all terms, so it is n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus n plus 1 upon 2 and minus n. Now 2 3s are, so it is like that n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus n plus 1 upon 2 minus n. Now take n common, so we get n plus 1 2n plus 1 plus n plus 1 upon 3, here 2 and here minus 1. Now multiplying, so n 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus n plus 1 upon 2 minus 1. Now next n, so it is 2n square plus 3n plus 1 upon 3 plus n plus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So if you want, then you can take two terms and by cross multiplying you get answer, but I am doing here one step which is very easy. So 3 2s are 6, here 2 multiplying by 2, 2n square plus 3n plus 1, here is multiplying 3 n plus 1 and here is 6. It is very simple step. Now this 2 is multiplying, so 4n square plus 6n plus 2 plus 3n plus 3 minus 6 upon 6. So next step, so which is equal to n upon 6 and this term 4n square plus 9n minus 1. So this is your answer. Now next example, find summation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on r divided by r, where r runs from 1 to n. So write first given. What is given? Summation of 1 plus 2 plus so we know that summation of r, where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. We know that this formula. But summation of r runs from 1 to n, so it is also equal to r runs means what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n. So this is also our formula, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on n. Then we get formula r, where r runs from 1 to n, means which is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. Means value of this is like that. When it is n, then there is n. If there is r, then it is like that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on r, then it is like that r plus 1 upon 2. So by using this, we write here this summation is as it is, and value of this 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on r is what? r plus 1 upon 2, and into this 1 upon r. Now this r and this r get cancelled. 1 upon 2 is constant, so take outside of this summation. So remaining only r from 1 to n, r plus 1. These terms are remaining. Now next, summation on addition. So it is plus summation of 1, where r runs from 1 to n. So which is equal to 1 upon 2 n plus 1 upon 2 plus n. Take n common, so it is n upon 2 n plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Now cross multiply. So n by 2, n plus 1 plus 2 upon 2. So we get n upon 2, n plus 3 upon 2. So it is like that n plus 3 upon 4. So this is your answer. It is very easy to solve, but there is one problem. Here we know that the formula for 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on r is r plus 1 upon 2. So here I am showing that you can observe it, then you can solve it. So it is very easy to solve. Now next problem. Find the sum 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square up to n terms. So given 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square up to n terms. So which is equal to, now I am writing here 2 into 1 whole square plus 2 into 2 whole square plus 2 into 3 whole square plus 2 into 4 whole square up to so on n terms. Okay. So you can observe that 2 into 1 2, 2 square, 2 into 2 4, 4 square, means our adjustment is right. Now next, I am taking here 2 into, suppose it is r, and r runs from 1 to n, which is whole square. Okay. Now next step, summation of r from 1 to n. 2r square means 4r square. 4 is constant, so take outside of summation. So it is summation of r square, where r runs from 1 to n. And we know that formula for r square, which is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. So it is 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 3. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So this is our answer. It is also very simple example. You can observe that there is one adjustment, then we get our answer. Now next example. If 1 cross 2 plus 2 cross 3 plus 3 cross 4 plus 4 cross 5 up to n terms, and upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n terms, which is equal to 100 upon 3, then find n. Here we have to find value of n. So let us start to solve. First write given. So what is given? 1 cross 2 plus 2 cross 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 up to n terms upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n terms, which is equal to 100 upon 3. So here we have to write it in summation form. So you can observe that 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n terms means suppose that it is r. Next 2, 3, 4, 5 means this is r plus 1. Okay. Suppose it is r, then r plus 1 is 2. Suppose r is equal to 2, then r plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is 3. Suppose it is r3, then here 3 plus 1 means r plus 1. So I am taking here like that. Summation of r into r plus 1 upon from r is equal to 1 to n upon it is also summation of r where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Now multiplying here r square. Therefore, so next step is summation of r square plus r upon r runs from 1 to n, upon summation of r where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Okay. Now taking summation on addition. So therefore next step, summation of r square where r runs from 1 to n plus summation of r where r runs from 1 to n upon summation of r where r takes from 1 to n, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Now we know that all the formulas. So using that all formulas here, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus n plus 1 upon 2, and here also n plus 1 upon 2. So therefore it is equal to 100 upon 3. Now take n plus 1 upon 2 common. So here we get n plus 1 upon 2 where it is common. Then here remaining only 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Because 2 is common, so 2 3s are, and here n plus 1 take common. So remaining terms 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon n plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Now next, so n plus 1 upon 2, and here also 3 multiplied, so 2n plus 1 plus 3 upon 3 upon n plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Now next 2n plus 4 upon 3. So therefore n plus 1 upon 2, and next term 4n plus, sorry, it is 2n plus 4 upon 3 upon n plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Now we know that if a upon b upon c upon d, then we can calculate it ab into d upon c. So it is also a upon b upon c upon d, then therefore it is n plus 1 upon 2 into 2n plus 4 upon 3, then it is 2 upon n plus 1, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Now this term 2 get cancelled, this n plus 1 n plus 1 get cancelled. So we have only 2n plus 4 upon 3, which is equal to 100 upon 3. Now this 3 get also cancelled, so we get only 2n plus 4, which is equal to 100. Now take 2 common, so it is n plus 2, which is equal to 100. Now this 2 and this is 50, so we get n plus 2, which is equal to 50, and that's why we get n is equal to 48. So here n is equal to 48 is our answer. So here we have to find n is equal to 48. So from given equation, first we write summation, then after summation we separate that summation, then we use the formula for summation, or we use result about this summation, then by simple calculation we get over n is equal to 48 is our answer. Now next example, if S1, S2 and S3 are the sum of first n natural numbers, their squares and their cubes respectively, then show that 9s2 square is equal to s3 into 1 plus 8s1. Okay, here we have to show that this term. So first, what is given? Given s1 is sum of first n natural number. Okay, so I am writing here s1, which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n, means which is equal to summation of r, where r runs from 1 to n, and here we know that the formula for that, it is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, now next also s2 is sum of their squares of first n natural numbers. So S2 is equal to sum of their squares, so it is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square, which is equal to summation of r square, where r runs from 1 to n, and here is, we know that formula n plus 1 to n plus 1 upon 6, and S3 is sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. So which is S3 is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube, which is equal to summation of r cube, where r runs from 1 to n, which is equal to n plus 1 upon 4 n square, and it is 2 square. So here it is S1, S2 and S3. Now we have to show that this. So I am taking here RHS. So RHS is equal to S3 1 plus 8 S1. We have to show that it is 9 S2 square. Okay. Then what is the value of S3? It is n square, n plus 1 square upon 4 into 1 plus 8, and value of S1 is n plus 1 upon 2. Now 2 4s are, so it is n square, n plus 1 square upon 4, 1 plus 4 into this multiplying n square plus n. Now next n square, n plus 1 square upon 4, and this term 1 plus 4n square plus 4n. So it is n square, n plus 1 square, and I am writing here 4n square plus 4n plus 1 upon this 4. So it is like that, n square, n plus 1 square. Now as here it is the square of 2 and n. So I am here writing here 2n. This is the sign of plus, so it is plus, and this is the square of 1, so it is 1, and it is whole square. After expanding this 2n plus 1 whole square, we get this term, this upon 4. Okay. Now here we want 6 means 36. So I am multiplying and divide by 9. So it is 9 n square, n plus 1 square, and this is 2n plus 1 square upon 4 into 9. These two terms I am adjusting here. So it is 9n square, n plus 1 square, 2n plus 1 square upon 36. There is no need to show that this term here it is only for your understanding. Now next it is take 9 as it is, and after squaring it, or I am writing here like that, n square, n plus 1 square, 2n plus 1 square, and it is 6 square. So this all terms are in the squaring, so I am taking in one bracket. So n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6, and this is whole square. Okay. So it is the term of S2, and this is whole square, that's why S2. But what is its RHS? So it is LHS. Therefore 9s2 square, which is equal to S3 1 plus 8 S1. This is RHS. Hence prove. So in this way we prove that 9s2 square is equal to S3 into 1 plus 8s1. So from given information, first we write value of S1, S2 and S3. Now we take RHS and substitute the value of S3 and S1. By calculation we find value of S2, which is LHS, and hence we prove here. Now there are some practice problem from exercise 2.6. These are 3 problems. Try to solve it. In this way we complete here our chapter sequence and series, and in next lecture we start a new chapter, permutation and combination. There is one test on sequence and series, so student prepare for test. If any doubt, any queries, then you can call me. Thank you.